Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's do the unboxing and a quick review of this Micromax in-one smartphone. Micromax is launched this Micromax in-one smartphone after a long period of time. So earlier I have also used the Micromax smartphones. So I have actually used the Micromax Canvas color smartphone, so which is a super smartphone which I have used actually 10 years before. Now what your favorite smartphone in the Micromax brand? So in case you are already using the Micromax brand smartphone, and if you know its a model name, so let me know in the comment section below. Well, now let's start this video with the Micromax in-one smartphone unboxing. Well guys, now this is the Micromax in-one smartphone. So this is the 4GB plus 64GB model. After a long time, Micromax has recently launched this smartphone. Then this is the package, and on the rear side here is having some of the highlighted specs. So it comes with a Helio G80 processor. It's having a full HD plus resolution display, and it is a 48 megapixel triple camera setup. It powers with a 5000 mAh of battery with 18 modes of fast charging support. And the highlighted thing is that this smartphone is actually comes with a stock Android experience. So you'll get a pure Android experience while you are using, and there is no third-party application and no ads and no bloatware. So you'll get a truly pure Android experience on using this smartphone. Well, now let's unbox this package. And after opening, so on the first you will get a protection plan. Here it is mentioned extended warranty, screen damage, and additional cover. All the details of the protection plan has been given here. And after that, now here we have a smartphone. So this is a Micromax in-one smartphone. We will talk about that later on. Then here is a SIM ejector pin, and after that, so here is a user manual. So this is a Micromax in-one user manual and user guide. Then we'll get a transparent case. Along with that, a scratch card is also given. So it is a good thing, and at this price segment they are giving all this. And then here is a transparent case. So it is a clear transparent case, and its quality is also quite good. And after that, here is a USB Type-C cable. Then this is the Micromax in-one charger, and it is a 18 watts of adapter. So it supports up to 18 watts of fast charging. Overall, these are all the accessories you will get in this Micromax in-one smartphone. Now let's move on to the Micromax smartphone overview. Well guys, now on the first impression, so I really liked this design. So on the rear side it has a X pattern design, and it is comes with the blue and pink color variants. So it is a blue color variant. So as you seen here is that X pattern design. So it is actually fully made of a plastic material. So it is full of plastic, and all the frames is also plastic only. But on usage, on daily usage, it will be good to use. It's quite good to hold the smartphone on your hand itself. And the rear side there is no fingerprint mark like that. It has comes with the anti-finger marks. So while you're pressing, you'll not see any fingerprint marks in the rear panel. And then on the front side also it comes with the punch hole style display. So at this price segment it is actually comes with the punch hole. Normally in this price segment, other brand smartphone you will see means, so all the smartphone will actually comes with the dewdrop notch design display, but this smartphone is actually comes with the punch hole style design display. And the display also comes with a huge in size, having a 6.67 inch of full HD plus display. Well, now let's move on to its physical overview. And firstly, starting from the sides, on the left side, so here is a SIM card slot, and it is having a dedicated SD card support too. So you can able to put a dual nano SIM plus SD card as per your wish. And then it is having a Google Assistant dedicated key. So you can use this key to activate the Google Assistant right from anywhere or anytime. Then moving on to the opposite side, and the right side is a volume keys, and then a power on off button. Then and the bottom side, so here is the 3.5 jack, primary microphone, Type-C port, and then single speaker grill. And then at the top side here is a secondary microphone is given. Then moving on to the rear side, so on the rear side, so here is this design, X pattern design, and at the center here is the rear mounted fingerprint scanning has been equipped, and it is comes with the rear side fingerprint scanning instead of the side mounted. So rear side fingerprint scanning is a good enough in my point of view compared to side mounted fingerprint scanning. So what your wish, whether your wish for a side mounted or rear mounted fingerprint scanning or an in display fingerprint scanning, let me know in the comment section below. And on the top left left side, here is a rectangular camera module, and inside the camera module it has having a triple cameras, and then a LED flash is equipped, and at the bottom there is a in branding, so it is a Micromax in branding. And then moving on to the front side, so here is the full HD plus display. So it is comes with a 6.67 inch full HD plus IPS LCD display, and this display also comes with the punch hole style design, and inside the punch hole you will get a 8 megapixel of your selfie camera, and the display also looks quite good. It comes with a very good brightness, and actually as you see in the chin size is also very minimal, and then the bezels is also very minimal. So in terms of screen to body ratio also, so this smartphone is really looks good. So it has a very good display at this price segment, and also it is actually comes with a stock Android experience. So while you're using this smartphone, you will get a very good smooth experience on daily usage. So since it comes with a stock Android experience, you will not get any bloatware apps or any ads in the smartphones. So it is 100% minimalistic smartphone. So on the daily usage you can really feel a very good experience. Well, now moving on to the camera configuration. On the rear side it has a triple camera setup having a 48 megapixel of your primary camera. In addition to that, 2 megapixel macro lens and 2 megapixel portrait lens are given. And in terms of camera performance, so I have actually taken multiple camera samples in the different scenarios. Let's have a look on the camera samples, and let me know what your thoughts about this Micromax in one smartphone. Let me know in the comment section below. And in my point of view, these camera samples are really works good, and compared to other smartphones in this price segment, this smartphone is having a better camera performance. So as you've seen that it's having a natural good looking photos even in the artificial and the natural lighting condition. In the very low light condition only, the smartphone will actually having the details are very less, and apart from that, in the normal lighting condition like this lighting condition, and then in the natural lighting condition, it really performs well. Picture quality is good. It is having a natural essence of picture quality, and that is the one thing I really liked in this smartphone. So let's have a look of all these camera samples, and let me know in the comment section how do you guys like this camera samples. And in case if you are already using this smartphone means, so let me know how do you guys like the camera performance. Let me know in the comment section below. Then moving on to its performance, this smartphone is actually powered with a MediaTek Helio G80 processor, and it is an octa-core processor. And in terms of memory variants, it has a 4GB of RAM with 64GB internal storage. So this is that model. In addition to that, 6GB RAM with 128GB is also available. So in terms of performance, it also really works good. It has no lag. So I have played multiple games, and in the normal gaming, or even in the latest launch of the Battleground India, so PUBG like related games also I have played. So on playing that games too, there is no lag, and it has a slight heat while playing that Battleground India. But if you play a normal games means, so there will be a very slight heat only. And I have also played YouTube videos for a long time, so even at that time also heat is very less only, and likely or 10 to 20% of heat will be available, and heat is there. I'll not tell no heat. So heat will actually producing in this smartphone, not that much more heat, very 10 to 20% of heat only. And it is actually runs on a stock Android UI. So as I already said, so while using this smartphone you will get a better user experience, since it is not comes with any additional bloatware apps and any third-party application or pre-installed in this smartphone, and there is no more ads, and also there is no extra additional features also. So it is comes with a very minimalistic features only. So using that feature you can use this, and that will give you a very good better experience on daily usage. And in case if you want means, you install the third-party application via Play Store. On the first time if you use means, so it is really gives you a better user experience on the daily usage. Then now moving on to the battery section. So this smartphone is actually powers with the 5000 mAh of battery, and it comes with the 18 watts of fast charging support, and also 18 watts of charger has been given by the Micromax. And in terms of battery testing, so this smartphone is actually takes up to 2.5 hours to complete a full charge. So I have actually tested the charging during the phone off condition only, and by testing that, so it is actually takes 2.5 hours to complete the full 0 to 100% of charging. And in terms of battery consumption, so it is also works good in terms of battery consumption. So for battery testing, I have used multiple factors, like I have played YouTube videos, and I played multiple games, and on playing a normal games, so it is actually takes a 10% of battery on playing 1 hour of gameplay, continuous gameplay. And for more advanced games like a Battleground India, like PUBG like game, so on playing a 45 minutes continuous gameplay, it takes 10% of battery. And on playing a YouTube videos, I have actually played 7.5 hours of YouTube videos. So for that it is actually discharges 50% of battery. So in terms of battery consumption is also it is one of the good for a daily usage. So it is a really good ideal smartphone for a daily usage. In case if you are fully charged the smartphone and going to the office at the morning means, and up to the evening or up to the night, the smartphone will withstand the battery. And during standby also, so I have enabled all the battery draining settings, like Wi-Fi is actually connected, location is turned on, and at that time also during standby it actually reduces 2% of battery. But in case if you turned off all these settings means, so it might be reduced only 1% of battery only during idle condition for 1 hour. In case if you are not using the smartphone and if you are keeping in idle means, that time also battery consumption will works very good. And in terms of additional features, and this smartphone is actually comes with the rear mounted fingerprint scanning for the security measure, and it has a 3.5 jack support. You can use the 3.5 wired earphone to hear the songs, and it has a dual microphone, and it comes with the only single speaker, so it has no stereo speaker support, and having a Type-C port connectivity. And then this smartphone is comes with a dedicated Google Assistant key, so you can just press this key to activate the Google Assistant, and it is mainly comes with the stock Android experience. Well, overall that's all about this video guys. Now what are guys thoughts on this Micromax in one smartphone? Let me know in the comment section below. And in case if you guys already using this smartphone means, so let me share your experience on the daily usage in the comment section below. Now that's all about this video guys, and hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like button below, and if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching this video guys.